Dear friends, with my training program, Become a Haircutter, I want to give all hairstylists, students and creatives the opportunity to learn, step by step, all the essentials to become a real haircutting pro. In the first level, we start with 10 units. Starting from the solid form, which we will work both horizontally and diagonally, we will go on to a journey through all the basic elements of women's haircuts. At the end of these 10 units, you will be able to perform all basic haircuts on your clients. To participate in this program, you should be able to divide the hair with the comb, properly use a haircutting scissor and shape the hair with a brush. Before you start training, download one of the included workbooks. You can find it in English, Spanish or German. Work through the terms carefully before cutting. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me directly. Then start with the first lesson. First, watch the video completely and pay attention to all details. Then prepare your training head. You need 2 training heads for the units 1 to 10. For which unit you should use which head, you will find in the description. Then you start to work on the haircut step by step. Be sure to follow the order of the steps shown, even if you were originally used to a different procedure. Everything has a purpose here, because the individual techniques and steps will help you to understand later lessons better and easier to implement. Many units have been taught by me for many years and are therefore guaranteed to work. Once you are done with the cut, blow dry the hair and look at the result. Compare it with the template and correct any mistakes. If necessary, repeat the haircut again and again. When you have successfully completed one unit, you can move on to the next and so on. At the end of the 10 units, you're going a big step further on your way becoming a real haircutter pro. You can already look forward to the other units that will follow in the course of time. We look forward to helping you on your journey becoming a real haircutter. If you want to stay in touch with me, follow me on Instagram at pointcutter.de or many other social media platforms. If you have the desire to consolidate your knowledge even deeper, I also offer the possibility of personal training. You can find more information on my website pointcutter.de. Of course, you can get personal training online as well as in presence. My home city is Hamburg, Germany. So looking forward to hear from you soon. Yours, Marcus.